Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic Understanding Elementary Shapes, Grade 6, Chapter number 5. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. So let us start with today's topic. My today's subtopic is rotation, angle, measurement, fraction, everything is in one place. So here there is a clock. In clock we have two arms. So here you can see that if we rotate this, just a minute. Yeah. So if we rotate this is known as clockwise direction. If we move in this direction, this is known as anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So next slide we are going to use this concept. If one or the another ray, this is zero angle, if we will rotate this will be known as a 1/4 rotation, that is 1/4 part of the circle. If we rotate this will be half rotation. Once again, if we will rotate this is 3/4 rotation, 3/4 part of the circle, and this we will complete one complete rotation. Okay, so we will use all this information in the next slide. So now here again you can see that this clock is there, and here we will do that anti-clockwise direction. So let us start with the questions. Here one circle is given and arm is rotated. This blue color arm, every time we will rotate to get different angles. So here how much rotation is there? This is 1/4 part of the circle. So this is 1/4 rotation. And now how many right angles? You can see over here there is only one right angle. One right angle means 90°. This is 1/4 rotation. If we will write in words, this will be 1/4. And how many parts you can see over here? This is one part, this is two, and this is three. Or easily we can say that after 12 you can count 1, 2, 3. So you can see that three parts are there. This concept we will use to solve questions from the exercise. Now next figure, this blue color arm is rotated from 3 to 9. So this is half of the circle. So this is half rotation. And now two right angles, one right angle, another one right angle. And which type of angle it is? This is your straight angle. What is the measurement of straight angle? 180°. Which rotation? We call it half rotation. And how many parts are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 parts. Another figure, this blue column arm is rotated from this place and it has reached to number 6. So this much area is the 3/4 part of the circle. So 3/4 rotation. How many right angles? One right angle, second right angle, and here you will get third right angle. So three right angles are there. And which type of angle it is? After rotation, if you will come to this place, it means this is your reflex angle. What is the measurement of reflex angle? Over here particularly 90 into 3 will give you 270°, and this is 3/4. And how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts are there. Another figure, this blue color arm, we started from 3 and again we have come back to 3. So one complete rotation is over. One rotation is over. How many right angles are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 right angles are there, and the angle is complete angle. One complete rotation is over. So what is the measurement of complete angle? 360°, and here we will write one rotation is over. So complete one whole part is over. And now how many parts are there? 12 parts are there. Now, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock run through when it goes from 3 to 9? So 3 to 9 easily you can understand only with the arrows. So this is 3 and this is 9. How many parts are there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 6 parts are there. And one more thing here, we are taking clockwise direction. So we will move from here to here, or if you have time you can just look at the clock. So from here to here, how many parts are there? 6 parts are there. So what rotation will be there? 6 parts means just half. Take the another one, 4 to 7. So you can start counting. This is your 4, this is your 7, 5, 6, 7. So how many parts are there? 3 parts are there. Just complete the clock. 3 parts are there. 3 parts means 1/4 rotation. Next one is 12 to 9. This is 12 and this is 9. So after 12, we will start with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total, how many parts are there? 9 parts are there. Complete the watch. Total 9 parts are there. 9 parts, it means 3/4 rotation. So I have completed these chapters with the videos. Chapter 1, knowing our numbers, 16 parts. Chapter 2, whole numbers, 8 parts. Chapter 3, playing with numbers, 11 parts. Chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas, 4 parts. Part 1 link is given in the description and links for other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. What will the hand of a clock stop? Where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 12 and make half of a revolution clockwise? So again clockwise means we will go with this direction. Start at 12 and half of a revolution. Half revolution means how many parts? 6 parts. Okay. So 6 parts means we will start from 12 means there will be 0 plus 6 will be 6. So hands of a clock will stop at 6. So this is your clock. We will start from 12 and it will come to 6. So the answer will be 6. Starts at 2 and make half of a revolution again clockwise. Clockwise means again this direction we will go. Half revolution means 6 parts, and now we will start counting 6 parts from 2 because starts at 2. So 2 plus 6 will give you 8. What does it mean? Your hands will stop at 8. This is your clock if you want to see that, or otherwise 8. This clock is not necessary to draw. Using this parts concept, you can find out the answer. Take the next one. Starts at 5 and make 1/4 of a revolution. 1/4 revolution means how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts we will start counting from 5. So 5 plus 3 will give you 8. What does it mean? Hands will stop at 8. You can see the watch also. Starts at 5 and make 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 of a revolution means 9 parts, and this 9 parts we will start counting from 5. So 5 plus 9 will give you 14, but in clock we don't have 14. So how can we write down this 14? 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. What does it mean? Hands will stop at 2. This is 2. Find the number of right angles turned through by our hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. So again 3 to 6, you can look at this clock, 3 to 6. So how many right angle? One right angle, or easiest way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 parts are there. 3 parts means one right angle. 2 to 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 6 parts will be there. 6 parts, it means 2 right angle. You can observe from here, if the hand clock is at 2 and this is at 8, so how many right angles will be there? 12 to 9, so 9 parts will be there. 9 parts means 3 right angles. 5 to 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 6 parts are there. So 6 parts, it means 2 right angles. Chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. I have made four videos on different subtopics. These subtopics you can read over here. Part 1 link is given in the description and link for subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now the time for direction and revolution. We know we have basic 4 direction: east, west, north and south. Here also we will use the concept clockwise or anti-clockwise. So the total number of parts are 4 here: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this 1/4 rotation, if you will think, it means this is only the one part. If we will take half of the rotation revolution from here to here, so 2 parts will be there. 3/4 revolution, so we will come to this position, so 1, 2 and 3 parts will be there. So directions, we have 4 parts and for clock we have 12 parts. So before solving any question, we need to think about that the question is regarding directions or regarding clock. Which direction will you face if you start facing east and make half of a revolution? Half of a revolution means here it will be 2 parts. This is your direction and east. The person is standing towards east. The face is towards east. Half clockwise means we will move in this direction. So 2 parts. So the person will face towards west. Now next, west and make 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 revolution means how many parts will be there? 3 parts will be there. Anti-clockwise, so the direction will be different. Anti-clockwise, we will move in this direction. The person is standing at west and 3/4 direction means anti-clockwise, so this direction, so the answer will be north. What part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing east and turn clockwise to face north? So clockwise, it means we will move in this direction. So the person is standing at east and turn through clockwise to face north. It means the person will come over there. So how many rotation is there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3/4. West and turn through clockwise. Clockwise, what does it mean? A person is standing on west and clockwise means, just a minute. Yeah. So this one already I have explained you. Now we are doing this. So clockwise, what does it mean? We will move in this direction, okay, and turn clockwise to face east. So the person will start from here and the person will start facing east. So how many revolution? Half revolution is there. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and share this video and also to watch my next video.